Okay, so you want to learn how to draw Christmas trees really quick and easy? Well, I'm going to show you how to draw trees like these, and you can make up an infinite number of different combinations. And it's really simple. You just need one color marker and some paper. So let's get to it. All right, so all of these Christmas trees that we're drawing, they've got the basic shape of a triangle. So if you just imagine there's an imaginary triangle on your paper, and you can build it around there. So the first Christmas tree we're going to draw, they're all very simple, but they look very cool. It's just going to be drawing little lines to represent the tree. So again, in a triangle shape. So we start at the top, we do a couple of lines, and then move down to the next section and do some more lines, and leave a gap and do some more lines like that. And you keep going wider, like a triangle shape. Now if you want to, you can make the triangle wider or narrower, and that just depends on how many lines that you draw there. Oh, that's really cool. And then down the bottom, let's draw a solid color like that for the tree trunk. So you can see it already looks like a tree. And let's draw a little triangle, not a triangle, a star. Well, stars can be made out of triangles, but yeah, we'll draw it on top. So there you go, that's Christmas tree number one. So you can see it uses very simple lines and a basic shape of a triangle there. Now we're doing all these in one color, green. You can mix up the colors, do multiple colors, it's really up to you. Alright, next one, let's draw another one. Now we're talking about triangles, so why don't we actually draw a triangle? Draw a nice big triangle like that. Yeah, cool. Again, you can make it wide and narrow as you like. Let's put the tree trunk down the bottom, and we'll leave that open this time. And this time here, let's draw lots of lines on an angle like this. So we're kind of like shading it in a little bit. And then of course, let's draw our star on the top. There you go, that is one other tree there. Next little tree, while we're sticking with triangles, we are going to draw a little triangle. And then underneath we draw a triangle which is slightly bigger. And another triangle which is even slightly bigger than that. And then let's give it a little tree trunk there as well. And of course, let's not forget the star on top. And that's another one. You can see it's really basic, it's just triangles, square, and a star. You've got your tree. And there's lots of other different ways that we can do it. I'm going to draw another triangle. Yeah, cool, and we will give it a little tree trunk in the bottom. This one here, and then in the middle, we're going to draw a line going straight up. And then from each side, we are going to draw these lines going up like that. So they're kind of like branches of the tree, which is normally a pine tree. And then on the other side, you can have a slight angle going up, and you can keep the spaces random. Like that. Oh, and let's add a star on the top there as well. Cool. Or if you wanted to, you don't have to draw a star. You could, I don't draw an angel. You could leave it blank, or you could draw anything you like there as well. All right. So next one, let's draw some more. I think I like kind of this sort of style, but instead of drawing lines, I'm going to draw U shapes like that. Yeah, and then each level you draw some more. The more of these U shapes that you draw, the wider the bottom becomes. You can kind of randomize it. Is that a word, randomize? You can create random U's. That kind of looks cool. And oh yeah, and draw a little tree stump there. Oh, and the star. That's another tree. And let's do another real basic tree idea. We draw one line going down like that, and then we draw horizontal lines to do such small at the top, and every line that you do just gets wider and wider. And then on each one we'll draw some random circles. So these could be the Christmas lights or decorations on the tree. And of course, star at the top. And that's another tree. Now, these trees that we're drawing are great for if you're making a Christmas card. You can put these on the Christmas card, or if you're drawing these on card, you can actually cut these out and hang them up as a Christmas tree decoration. Alright, so let's do another one. This one is going to be quite fun. I think what we'll do is we'll do some squiggles, and basically we'll start, again, keeping in mind the triangle shape, thin at the top and wider at the bottom. Like that. And then draw a little tree trunk for the bottom. Oh, that's nice. I like your tree. That's really good. That's actually, I think that's much better than mine. Good job. And I'll put a little star on there as well. So that's the thing. You can just make the random shapes as long as or random lines, as long as you keep the shape like a Christmas tree, and you give it a bit of a tree trunk, and if you want to give it a star, that looks like a tree. Alright, what's another one? And I quite like this idea. Maybe we can do something different. So again, we draw a line going down. And this one here, let's have the lines of the branches of the tree going down. And again, once we go down, we can widen that out. Cool. Yeah. And then on each branch, we draw little lines going down there like that. Again, draw a little star up top. Now this one, what's interesting about this one is how lines can give expression and emotion. Because this one looks like it's quite droopy. And it looks like if you have a real Christmas tree, it looks like it at the end of Christmas when the tree may have died and the branches are hanging down and it's all falling apart. Looks a little sad, but anyway. Should we draw some more Christmas trees? Okay, let's draw another one. Let's draw a triangle again. These are all triangle shapes. And at the bottom, put a little Christmas tree trunk. And put a star at the top again. Yep. And this one here, we're going to fill it in with squiggles. Just random. This is going to be lots of fun. Random squiggles. This kind of looks like it gives you the texture of the leaves and stuff. There we go. Cool. And if you want to, if you've got other coloured markers, you can do different coloured squiggles in there as well. So that's fun. Alright, let's draw the next tree. And this one here, we're going to change our marker. Our markers, we've got a thick side and we've got a thin side. So we're going to switch over to the thick side. And what we're going to draw, again, keeping in mind, draw some thick lines. Christmas tree shape like that. And then one for a trunk there as well. And again, let's add a star to the top. So that's real easy. It's literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines and a little star. And you can do it to thick lines, or you can do it thinner. You can space it out. It all gives you different looks. All right, and then okay, we will do another one here. This one here, we're going to do curved shapes. So we start at the top with small curves, and the further down you go, the wider and longer the curves are. Again, you can see it follows a triangle shape. Put a star on top, put a little tree trunk in the bottom. You can keep it uncoloured or you can colour it in. And just in here, I'm just going to, on each of these lines, we're going to add some circles. So this could be like the Christmas tree lights. So we're not drawing the actual tree itself, we're just drawing the Christmas tree lights, but the shape looks like a tree. Alrighty, and one. Okay, let's do this. So this is going to be interesting. This one is going to be kind of swirls. So we're going to go loop. So you're just creating loops and just going around the other side and looping it down like that. And then I'll create a little tree trunk. And then a little Christmas tree. A little star on top. Oh my gosh. There we go. And there you've got 12 Christmas trees. Just like the 12 days of Christmas tree. You can draw a Christmas tree for each day. You can mix and match all the different styles and combinations, but you can see how easy it is just with one colour and some simple lines to create a Christmas tree. Well, I hope you followed along and had lots of fun with our Christmas tree drawing tutorial. These trees here are great. If you're making a Christmas card for a friend or family member, you can use these designs on the front there. We've done one colour, but if you want to, you can add your own multiple colours if you like. Also great if you cut these out, put a bit of string, you can hang them up as a Christmas tree decoration or ornament. So lots of different uses. Alright, again, thanks for watching. Have a great day. See you later. Bye.